Hey guys, it's me William, and today I'm very excited because I'm going to be opening this Spider-Man ps4 box. So let's get started. So guys, we finally got the plastic off, so now let's just open this. Hey guys, we now opened it and this is what it looks like. So this is just a card. Just right there, so this is the bag. This is a Spider-Man like hat. It's really cool. So this is what the bag looks like, and it looks so cool, and it's very nice detail of it, and yeah. So let's see what else we have in here. We have a coin bank. So this is what it is. Also, we have like a little book over there. Also, we have this like Spider-Man like tag thingy. So yeah, it's very cool. Also, we have like this thingy that we don't know what it is. So then we have the blanket over here, and it looks very cool. Let's just take this off. So look at this, guys. This is amazing. So guys, you can see here there's Spider-Man on the top. Also there's a white spider logo on it, and then it's really cool. And I think maybe I'm gonna sleep on this, but I think it's not actually a blanket. So yeah. So maybe not. So we don't know what this is, but it's just something that you use. But okay, so we don't know what this is, but should we just like open it, Alex?
Yes.
Okay.
And this is a spoiler if you're gonna get the box.
So guys. Okay, so we have a Spider-Man drink bottle. It looks really cool. So yeah, I really like it. So also we have this like coin bank. So let's just open this and get it out. You can see it's actually Spider-Man's like that he is shooting like webs, and then you can put a little like coin in here. Also, you cannot put like real money like dollars because it won't actually fit in there. You can just put like coins and stuff. And he has like these white like little fingers or something. Also, yeah. So that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.